In this video, we show you how the PROFIBUS High Availability with 2 mbGates PB is installed and configured. The PROFIBUS cabling starts at the first gateway and is looped through to the second gateway. The terminations must be switched on at the gateways. The 2 gateways are wired with 3 wires. The connections 4, 5, and 6 are used. Port 4 is connected to port 4 of the second gateway. Connections 5 and 6 are connected with a rotation of the wires 5 to 6 and 6 to 5. Ethernet cables are used to connect the gateways to the controller. This configuration instantly detects PROFIBUS cable interference. When the hardware cabling is complete, connect the PC to the switch and start the Search and Configure tool. The Search and Configure tool can be downloaded from the Softing page FAQ Frequently Asked Questions. If the screen of the Search and Configure tool is visible, start the search by clicking on Search. After the search, both mbGates PB show up with the same IP address. With a double click on an mbGate, this further mask appears. We mark the IP address and enter the desired IP address, in this case 192.168.212.200. For the password, we have to enter FGAdmin!1 and confirm with Submit. We see that the IP address is changed immediately. We do the same with the other mbGate PB. The password can be found in the manual. Double-click on mbGate PB again. We enter the desired IP address, enter the password FGAdmin!1 and click Submit. Now, both IP addresses are registered according to customer requirements. A new search with the Search and Configure tool displays the set IP addresses. For the next step, the PC must be in the same subnet as the gateways. To license the high availability, the host ID is required. To do this, we double-click on the IP address. Click on Administrator and log in with FGAdmin!1. On the information page that pops up, immediately we find the host ID. The host ID is taken with Ctrl+C in the clipboard of the PC. Before further configuration, a license file must be generated, which must be imported into the gateway. To do this, open the documentation online. The link can be found in the product information enclosed with the gateway. In this chapter, Installing a License, click on the link My Softing Portal. After you have logged in with your email address and your password, click Register License in the lower right corner. After you have logged in, please enter the license in the field License Key. You can find the license on the sheet of paper that came with the device and copy the host ID into the host ID field from the clipboard and click on License Registration. That's it. After generating the license, please click on My Licenses and then on Download License. Then the generated file will be saved in any folder. To install the license file, log in to mbGate, log in with FGAdmin!1, go to Settings, Licensing, select the appropriate license file, and click Install New License. And now there's the note Restart Required. Then I click Restart and the license is installed. After the successful installation of the license, I get the node installed. Now I have to configure the high availability. This must be activated here and given a name, and I click on Apply. I also need this configuration for the second gateway, and I need a second license to configure the high availability configuration, and the same must also be PROFIBUS in the second gateway as in this example. This concludes how PROFIBUS High Availability with 2 mbGates PB is installed and configured. Further information can be found on our website industrial.softing.com. Thank you for your attention.